Guys, this is me washing my hair after 1 month. Welcome back to my channel. It's Amazon Amy to the ZO freaking N, and today's video is going to be my wash day. I don't know, but the thing is, I've not washed my hair in a month and 2 weeks, so now it's time to actually finally wash this hair, and I feel some type of relief from all of these. And to be sincere, okay, I feel like, whoa, this is gonna be a lot, okay? But now it's time for wash day. And also, I'm gonna be trying out a new store-bought shampoo. Now, I saw this at the stores, that was last month, and I'm like, I think I should give this shampoo a shot. And then I saw someone do a review of it on Instagram. Now this is gonna be my review, okay? I took off just the shampoo because I didn't want to try the entire range of products they had, but maybe another time I'll go for the conditioner. However, today is just the shampoo. And also, I'm also going to be doing my DIY Ayurveda tea rings, okay, for maximum hair growth. And that's the trick with Ayurveda. You want to start small, you want to start little. You don't want to go packing all of the Ayurveda into your hair in a max or a gloss form. You got to be careful around that, okay? So given the fact that I've not done Ayurveda in a very long time, I'm just going to start small, okay? It's been like a year, okay? I've not introduced herbs into my hair, so I'm going to start very small, and that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to create a tea first, and then of course I'm going to try out V shampoo as well, okay? So this is the shampoo I'll be using. That is the Elan mentholated shampoo, okay? It costs barely $2. That's like 700 naira. That's quite affordable. If you're looking for affordable drugstore products, then maybe you should go for this, of course, after I'm done with the review, so you know if you're wasting money or not, baby girl. So to get wash day started, what I did was I had to rinse my hair and my scalp and everything with warm water. So my shower doesn't dispense warm water, so I had to mix that in a different bucket, and then I use it to rinse my scalp twice. After that, I went in with the Elan mentholated shampoo. Now this shampoo actually has a lot of sulfur content or menthol in it, if that's what I'm going to call it, and then I basically just applied it all through my hair, okay? So what I did was, when I was done, I parted my hair, because a lot of people believe that shampoo is just for your scalp, but I tend to believe that the strands of your hair as well needs to be washed off properly, and that is the reason why I don't just shampoo my scalp, I also shampoo the strands of my hair, because as much as you want to just run the shampoo through, I actually apply the shampoo generously to my hair strands, and then I rinsed it off this time with cold water finally. After that, I went in with deep conditioning with the Adanated bamboo and palm kernel oil deep conditioner. Now this deep conditioner is amazing, and I tend to apply my deep conditioner in a relaxer pattern, and I had to use this opportunity to also detangle my hair properly. And this is the hair I lost from deep conditioning. So these herbs are from ej.more on Instagram, and this is the organic Ayurvedic herbs, okay? There are actually 2 of them. So these are herb mixes, okay? So one of these, this contains amla, bringraj, fenugreek, and aloe vera powder, okay? That's amazing. Okay, so you could use this as a gloss and as a mask, but I'm definitely going to be using it as a tea. It is supposed to condition your hair, regrow, and of course thicken your hair. This one too, the same thing, but this contains amla, shikaikai, and brahmi powder. So I picked this one that contained amla, bringraj, fenugreek, and aloe vera powder, and then I took a teaspoon of it, added my hot water to it, and then stirred it and allowed it to just settle. Hey guys, so I'm back. I've had this deep conditioner in my hair for like the past 1 hour 30 minutes thereabout, so it's time to rinse it off. So this is what I mean by the greenhouse method. I have a plastic bag under there, and then these just to infuse some sort of heat so that the product can penetrate into my hair strands and follicles, since I have low porosity hair. All right, hey guys, so what I have here is the tea rings I prepared. So I just strained it out, okay? What you're going to do is, when you want to strain out, just allow it to settle for a while, and then you strain out, okay? Don't try to stir or anything. Just strain out the clear water and allow the rest to just sit on its own. Is that clear? So I have this here, and then I have my extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so I'm just going to take a cup full of this and then pour it into this mix just to create something I can use to spray my hair when I'm done with the wash process. Okay, so see that? All right, so I'm going to add this up right now and I'll be back on camera. Okay, so I've mixed my extra virgin olive oil. I did 2 cups full. Okay, if you're using a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, it's actually going to be enough. 1 or 2 teaspoons is enough depending on what you want. I'm going to use this to spray my hair after rinsing out the deep conditioner, and also use it for my weekly moisturizing, right? One of the tricks to actually reducing your detangling process is after detangling with your deep conditioner, I don't take it down. I just rinse my hair thoroughly with warm water as well. Finally, y'all, I'm done. Yay! This wasn't so easy, but you know, someone's gotta do it. Make my dreams come true. All I want for Christmas is you. My tea, yo, my tea. So a section at a time as always. Did you see that? Told you, it's gonna be clean. You don't need to take it down to rinse it, okay? Mango butter leave-in conditioning lotion. Shea infused hair butter from Adanide. And the super hair growth oil. And that's basically how my wash day actually went. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. Please leave a comment in the comment section below if you'd like to know the results of the takeout of this twist. I'll link a video pretty soon or just make a new one for you. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have an amazing time. Bye. See you guys in the next video.